Hello guys, you use my phone Vivo V21E. This version 8GB memory and 128GB internal memory. Look completion. In completion we have protected back cover, adapter for charging, Type-C cable and headphones. Good completion. Okay. Device made of glass and plastic. On the back side triple camera, on the front side 6.4-inch display, power key and volume keys on the right side. This side slot for another SIM card and microSD card for memory. Downside Type-C port, speaker, microphone and headphones jack. Okay. Settings. About phone, Fun Touch OS. We have launcher Android 11, display Full HD AMOLED 60 Hz. Open Geekbench file, talk about system information. We have CPU Qualcomm Snapdragon 720G and GPU 618, Adreno 618. CPU speed, look results, single core score and multi-core score, and look GPU test results. Close this. Start Guitar San Andreas, the money game, and of course look under the benchmark results. Okay, good results, and run Guitar San Andreas. Guitar San Andreas load and works perfect on the max graphic level. Okay, close this, and now I show you photos on the main camera. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.